Hi, my name is Maya Kershell. I'm in 5th grade and today we're going to be making chocolate crinkle cookies. Okay. So our ingredients will be half cup of flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, a half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt, which is all in this one, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, a half teaspoon of vanilla, 2 ounces of unsweetened chocolate, and if you do not have unsweetened chocolate, you can use 1 ounce of chocolate chips and 1 ounce of cocoa powder, which I have in here. You'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, a half cup of powdered sugar, and a half cup of sugar. So first we need to spray the pan and preheat the oven to 325 degrees. So our first step is mixing the flour and the cocoa powder along with the baking powder and the baking soda and the salt. And you can mix that all together. Until well combined. And our next step will be in the mixer over here. You can combine 3/4 cup of brown sugar, the 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, vanilla, and then you can put that on level 1. Done. So now that our mixture is completed, you're going to take the 2 tablespoons of butter and your 2 ounces of chocolate or 1 ounce of chocolate chips and 1 ounce of cocoa powder, and you're going to warm it up in the microwave for about 1 minute. It won't be completely combined when you take it out.
I'm ready when you are.
Just let me take this out. Okay, now our chocolate mixture is finished. As you can see, it's not completely combined yet, so you can take a spoon and stir that around a little bit until it's well combined. And then you're going to add this mixture into our brown sugar mixture so it gets a darker color. And then you're going to mix that for a little bit at level 1.
How long?
Just a few seconds, or until well combined. And now you can take this out of the mixer and just, okay, it's all combined now, and we're going to add the flour mixture into this mixture. And now for about 1 minute, we're going to just mix this all together until there's no dry flour visible. Okay, now our whole mixture is finished mixing. We're going to just scrape the mixer off a little bit, just so we get all of that cookie dough. And we're just going to let this dough here sit for 10 minutes in room temperature. So now it's been 10 minutes, and we're going to use a cookie dough scooper, and we're going to bring out our sugar and powdered sugar now. So what we're going to do is take a scoop, not quite all the way full, and you're going to just plop it into the sugar first. You're going to roll it around and coat it all the way with sugar. Then you're going to bring it over to the powdered sugar and roll it in that as well. Then you can just plop it down on the pan. We'll do a few more. Sugar. And powdered sugar. I'll come back once this is finished. Okay, so now these are all ready to go. We're going to pop them in the oven quick. And set the timer for about 11 minutes. Okay, now our cookies are finished. And as you can see, they turned out beautifully. Thank you for watching. This is Cooking with Maya.